Hey guys, welcome to this video. So this is a quick update video for Shiba Inu SHIB price prediction for 2022. This is the second largest meme token. I think that the out of these dog animal coins, Dogecoin is definitely the number one in my opinion. I'm not a huge fan of Shiba Inu because it's just so out there. There's literally zero utility. There's a lot of when I create these videos, a lot of people say, "Hey, you don't know what you're talking about." Well, comment down below what's the utility for Shiba Inu. Okay, just comment down below. And if you say swap, I mean, come on, tell me about, like, if there's a swap, tell me about the liquidity. Are they borrowing the liquidity? Are they creating their own liquidity? Tell me anything about the project and then we can discuss, And don't just shout I'm wrong because I know what I'm talking about, okay? And of course, I don't know anything in a sense that nobody is an expert in cryptocurrencies besides maybe well, Vitalik, the creator of Ethereum, creator of, like, those guys are experts. I'm just like shouting head here on YouTube, but before you shout at me, just explain please, like, why do you think that it is, okay? Because I have created tons of these videos, so I'm not going to explain all the details every time in this video. So I understand that some might like think like I don't know anything about this, but the one thing that I want to first show of you is the if you look at the max you know chart here. So this is linear chart, meaning that it's addition. So all of these are same length, okay? And this is logarithmic. This means that it's multiplication. So all these are basically different lengths. So meaning that what that basically means is that if you look at linear from here, from May 11th, okay, to here, you can see that we had a huge dip, huge up, and then dip correction. And if you look at logarithmic, this is May 8th, May 11th, okay? So this is the huge dip, and this is the huge up, and this is the meaning. Look at here. So percentually wise, we are so much up, even though this looks like we had a huge dip here and we had a huge up here. It's nothing compared to how much we are up from the zero, basically. So just what this means is look how much it can go down from here. Just look how much. Just I'm begging you. I'm creating this video because I'm begging you. If you invest into these kind of assets, just know the risk. It's up so much. It's up. Look how much it's up. How much up it can go up from here, without any, like, crazy utility. Like, it has to have insane utility for it to go up. It has had so much hype, and I mean, just I'm grading this because I'm begging you, be careful. I don't like I'm not insulting you or anything like here. I'm just saying please do your research on these tokens. Just please. I have created so many of these videos, so just please guys, please before shouting at me, please do your own research on this one. And when you say about this token that it has a lot of value and utility, that says to me you haven't done any research, okay? And I can do a research video for you. You can just all you have to do is ask, okay? Just ask in the comments if you want me to review this project and show you why I think that it's definitely not something that I would definitely invest in. I'm not a financial advisor, and I can create the video for you, but I have already actually created the video for you. It's in the golden ticket membership. Here I show you how I evaluate projects. I show you how I've been in crypto since late 2016. It took me years to learn this stuff. I mean, literally years. When I first started buying out cryptos, I also bought anything. I just went to the markets and bought everything. I had that like machine gun. Like, I just sprayed my money over and just prayed something would happen. But that doesn't work. For some people it does work, but that's not a winning strategy for the rest of your life. Like, if you think about it, if you win once in a lottery, you can't replicate the success. But if you had like a proven method that could replicate the success, I would use that, and I'm actually using that, and I created that. So it's called the golden ticket membership. You have access to that, like frameworks that I'm using, like you can see here, wealthy investor frameworks. I will show you how I evaluate projects, like why I think that some project is better than another. And for example, here I have used this method, and these guys also used it. Look at how much they have made, by the way. But I'm not financial advisor anyway. So in like last 3 months, 20x on Cadena, 10x on Opulos, 10x on Flux, 10x on Ultra, 7x on Ad, 8x on Render, multiple 3 to 6 tokens. I mean, it's like it's consistent. Okay, but spraying money randomly is not consistent. Okay, so of course this requires effort, this requires conviction to use this, and it requires you to like actually listen what I'm saying in these videos. But anyway, so I'm not financial advisor, I'm just showing you that I have actually created the system here. Okay, so if you want to check it out, you can check it out in the description. I also have the free one. You can start with the free one. In the free one, I basically do like little market updates and that kind of updates. But here I actually also do daily updates, but they are just premium. Okay, just know that. Just know, be very careful with this one. So my price prediction for Shiba Inu is, even though it might, if the bull run like goes parabolic in 2022, this might still pull up like 5 to 10x, but that's the biggest I think that it can go. That the downside is downside as so, like the risk versus reward, the risk is so big compared to the reward, it doesn't literally make any sense. You could basically momentum trade this. So if you see like Shiba Inu, for example, momentum is picking up, you could like momentum trade that. But I know only like a couple people who can do that, and so those two people, they make like 5% or 10% on their trades, but they're trading with such a big number, so it's a big number. But you know what I'm saying. See, okay, so then I also want to show you token metrics. So token metric is machine learning software. This is a very good, I've been using this for a year. This is a very good for learning. For example, you can and just finding new opportunities. Like you can see, there's tons of these tokens that it's saying here. For example, Frax is a decentralized stable coin. Very interesting project, by the way. I'm starting to look into it, and it just shows you that this tons of project you can do research on, and then you can come here and type in any token, for example Shiba Inu, and you can come here and click price prediction, and you can see what it's thinking about for example price prediction of Shiba. So it's thinking that maybe it's going to go down, stay down a little bit for consolidate. Okay, and consolidation, by the way, is very bullish anyway, because that means strength. So we are building strength. So if that happens, it could be bullish. But like I said, I'm not investing in this. There's just the downside is just so big. Anyway, if you understand what I'm saying in this video, see you at the memberships and see you at the next videos. And yeah, just watch the comment section. There's tons of people are going to say all this and that, but I don't really care. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that even one of you is like understanding what I'm saying here. And I'm a financial advisor. And peace out. Okay.